Give me a hell yeah.
Hello everyone, it's Tuesday and you know what that means. It's now time for our VMX Gold Review dito sa Taboo Tuesdays only on VivaMax. And today we are going to take a look at Undergrads. Very generic title, very vague ang approach ng title na to. And habang nanonood ako sa pelikula na to, it really doesn't help na it did not give my attention, or I did not pay attention. It did not attract me in some sort of way. First of all, one of the culprits is this guy right here, si Emil Sandoval. Di ako mahilig. Ano bang background nito ni Emil? Baka mamaya trash talk dito. Ano pala, veterano pala to. Like the time na inasar ko si Mon Confiado. Tapos siya pala si Emilio Aguinaldo, you know. Okay, so this movie is starring Rica Gonzalez and Athena Red. Athena Red, you may know her sa Ang Pintor at Ang Paraluman. Rica Gonzalez, it's been a while since I've last saw Rica. She was in Hibang, in yung first movie niya dito. Yeah, I actually... Nasaan ba siya? Hindi. Si Sahara yung sa ano, yung Maliko eh. Si Sahara Bernales yung sa Maliko eh. Yeah, it's been a while since I've seen her sa BMX. Ayun, so we're doing the BMX. Part of the changes here dito sa BMX is not just the abbreviation, pero yung parang ano eh, scenery dun sa app nila eh. Pinapakita lang nila yung picture nang wala yung pangalan ng movie imbes sa isang eksena. Good thing that I'm able to screenshot at a VivaMax movie and na-apply ko yung mga eksena dito. So we got Gino, we got the characters Gino, Ali, Sofia, and Mario. Okay, so basically naman yung story ng Undergrads. We got two besties, si Sofia saka si Ali. Sofia is played by Athena Red and Ali is played by Rica Gonzalez. At magkakababata sila. At si Rica Gonzalez, meron siyang unrequited feelings dito sa kanyang kababata na si Sofia. Si Sofia, medyo outgoing yung nature niya, medyo nonchalant. Tapos itong si Ali, chalant. And she is parang grade conscious, nerd, nakasalamin siya. So advance forward in time, naging undergrad sila sa kolehiyo or something. And part ng dance club itong si Sofia under the mentorship of Gino Torres, played by Emil Sandoval. So si Gino Torres is a pedophile, PDF file, and may pagnanasa siya kay Sofia. And si Sofia medyo outgoing. Inimbita niya dati si Ali sa isang party. Si Sofia hindi na virgin, si Ali virgin pa rin kasi gusto niya, one true love niya talaga itong si Sofia. Sa mga palaginip niya lagi niyang katalik si Sofia. Then Ali met Mario. Naging kaibigan, naging close si Mario saka si Sofia. But then naging mag-on sila for some reason. So yung pagiging mag-on nila is on the count na parang ano tawag doon? Mag-on dahil parausan lang, pero yun naranasan ni Ali yung kanyang pagtatalik dito kay Mario. Mario is played by Van Allen Ong. I last saw him tagal na rin no? Yung kasama niya si Kalikot yun, sa Kalikot. Yeah. So this is just a 1-hour movie na VivaMax, so everything has to be rushed. Said Kota, but yung length nito is actually too much for this type of film. So, yeah, there's one instance, masakit ulo ni Sophia, inimbita siya ni Sir Gino Torres, at ayun, nagtalik si Gino sa si Sophia sa opisina ni Gino. Now, on the other side of the coin, si Ali at saka si Gino di na nagkita, hindi na explain, di ata na explain o di lang nakikinig, pero di na sila nagkita after ng second sex scene nila, and si Sophia ay nabuntis. Tapos si Gino ayaw magpaka tatay, eh may dinevise siyang plano. So ginawa niya, pinapractice niya itong si Sophia kasi member siya ng, kasi medyo di ba, member siya ng dance troupe. As yung practice dapat daw intense. So sa sobrang intense tong practice, hindi makaki-keep up itong si Sophia kasi buntis siya eh. Dahil buntis itong si Sophia at intense yung practice, nalaglag yung bata, nagdugo yung kanyang ari, at I bet nalaglag yung bata in the process. Nalaman to ng magulang, and inako ni Ali yung like one half. At umamin si Ali na may gusto siya kay Sophia. Mas para may, tapos sex ata sila sa dagat, ewan. Tapos sa tapos ng pelikula na to, nahuli itong si Gino. Pinagmumura niya yung mga estudyante habang binibideo siya. Pinagmumura niya yung mga police. Didi party na. Ayan. And that's the plot and the summary of Undergrads. Yeah, this movie is boring. Di ko siya feel eh. At kung ito yung magiging vibes ng mga papalabas na pelikula sa Viva Max moving forward, yung sa festival, nakakatakot. So, okay, I'm going to give Undergrads a very rough, hard pass. It's not worth my time. It's not worth your time. Bakit? Mapapatanong ka talaga, bakit ka nandito? Bakit ako nandito, di ba? And in some way, pasasalamatan nyo kasi winarning ko kayo na wag manood ng Undergrads. Tulad ng time na winarning ko kayo na wag manood ng Dirty Ice Cream. Ayun. So, yeah, this is Undergrads rating. So, the next movie na i-review natin ay this Friday. It will be Halinghing. And it is starring Aiko Garcia, Jen Rosa, Joseph Elizalde. I bet na quality to. Pero yung director, Jack Carlos, never heard of him. Baka bago rin. Yeah, like I said, kung yung sana hindi pa tulad ng Undergrads yung mga magiging future dun sa Viva Max Festival movies. Kasi, yari. Yan. So, PDF file, okay? This is your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet, telling you goodbye and good night. Bang!